Hi there, welcome back to my channel. This is Shepa. I make makeup and lifestyle videos, and today's video is going to be about this Wet n Wild Bretman Rock eyeshadow palette. I don't even know who he is, so you can expect a 100% honest review from me for sure. Alright, so this is how the packaging looks like. Very colorful and absolutely love it. And this is the inside of the palette. All very bright, colorful eyeshadows, and yeah, this is how it looks like. It doesn't have a mirror, so -1 from me. I love having mirror in my eyeshadow palettes, and today I'll be using this palette and we'll create two eye looks. And this is the two eye looks. It's going to be, one of them will be like this, like purple, pink, and like some shimmer. It's going to be everything. And the other one is going to be green and red shades. This palette retails for $14.99, and I will be moving to the tutorial. And let me just share with you one of my very good buy. I recently bought it from Amazon, and I am absolutely in love with this mirror. I just wanted to share with you guys, and I will add the link in the description box. It comes everything put together, so you don't even have to put it together. That's the best thing about it, I think. And you can turn it off and on and change the intensity of the lights. The brightness of the lights can be changed by just touching the screen. So I think that's really a cool mirror. Alright, so here is the swatch of all those shades from the palette, and let's move into the tutorial.
You regret it all too much. Just wait, I will find you someday. She left her home to find where she belongs. Her mother's scared to leave her all alone. But she got time, and she knows what to figure out. This ain't in a dream, a place where it seems that love will come around. So don't stay, you regret it all too much. Just wait, I will find you someday. So the same, yeah, she does not know that everything she got from her. You got time, and you know what to figure out. This ain't in a dream, a place where it seems that love will come around. So don't stay, you regret it all too much. Just wait, I will find you someday. She left her home to find where she belongs. Her mother's scared to leave her all alone. But she got time, and she knows what to figure out. This ain't in a dream, where it seems that love will come around. So don't stay, you'll regret it all too much. Just wait.
Alright, so overall the palette itself was pretty good for $14.99. You get a pretty good range of colors, and some of the colors are a little bit hard to work on. For example, the green ones were very hard to work, and the shimmer shades are okay. They swatch really good, but then when you try to apply it in your eyes, it is a hot mess. So just be careful when you're working with those shimmer shades. Other than that, it's a very good deal. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you again in another video. Bye bye.